Alright everyone, so when you finish your dragster design, you're going to want to add dimensions on here. So I finished my design, everything's lined up, and what I want to do here, I'm going to go over from my home tab, I'm going to go to annotate. We have a couple things on here, so text I want to change to the dragster dim. That should be set up for you. You're going to want to select dragster dim or dragster dimension, and then go to manage textiles, and then please make this current. It's going to make your job way easier. So dragster dim, set current, close, and do the same thing over here. I'm going to select the dragster dimension, and I want to manage dimension styles. Click on dragster and click on set current, and I should have done that before I created this template for you. But now when I go to create some dimensions, for example, let's create some linear dimensions first, and I want to make sure I'm on my dimensions layer. Now when I go to create some dimensions, for example, I want to create one right here like so. You can see that dimension pops up. If you want to make them smaller, you are welcome to go into, you can see, looks like I got to change as the dragster dimension. So let's go back in and manage dimension styles here, and let's go to modify, and let's make sure that the correct text is selected. Dragster dim, there we go. Click OK, click set current, click close. Now when I go to change this for a linear dimension, for example, I want to do this length here, that should be much better. That looks much better. And then add dimensions on here as you go. I'm just going to add a few for you to see right now. For example, I want to add a diameter for these wheels. If you don't have these wheels, you don't have to add them. But add what you see here. I'll add this wheel too, like so. I'm going to get rid of these crosshairs. So remember this here from some other assignments here. But I want to get rid of my center mark. So no center mark on there, like so. And then continue to add dimensions on here. So I'll do some linear dimensions going across from here to here, so we can see that 58. I'll do a linear dimension here, 19. I'm going to do the length of my car too. I might have to create a line first here to represent the front of that car. So I'm going to try and find the nose of this car. And I'm going to go to nearest. And I'm going to try and draw a line straight up and down. There we go. There's going to be the nose of my car. And then I'm going to draw a dimension line from there. Annotate linear dimension from there and going all the way across. And I want to go to the length of my car, which is there. So, and I can bring this all the way down too. You can see it's 244 for that car. And then continue to add dimensions on here. I'll post my final one there on Canvas, but big thing here, you want to be on the dragster dim text style and then the dragster dimension style. And go into manage dimension styles, go to dragster, go to modify. Go to the text here, dragster dim, go lines, text, dragster dim, click OK, click set current, click close. And that should work out for you. Alright, that's the end of this video on how to do our